so we got it out. Yeah, dude, it's looking good, bro. So so far we've gotten it out. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna continue to winch it towards me. All right, you if you want to let the jack down for now. I'm in the line of fire, you guys. Let me get out of the line of fire. I'm gonna go on the other side of the truck. That way, if something happens, I'm not in the direct line of that winch being broken and snapping into me. At least I'm over here on a little bit safer side. It was raining, guys. It pouring down. I couldn't get the first big part of it because it wouldn't have, y'all wouldn't have been able to see anything. So I got some skates up underneath it. Where he signed a waiver. So there's, it is what it is, you guys. I'm keeping the car, but he signed a waiver for the concrete. All right, so now I'm gonna give it slack, undo my thing, and see if it'll go straight up the truck at this point. Take the snatch block off. This Mighty snatch block has been phenomenal. Obviously I have to rig it a little differently because my eyes only face a certain way. But we'll see if this will head up the truck. This was a tight squeeze, but you get it done. Do what you gotta do. Got using my Mighty slings with the Mighty recovery bridle. You want to put a jack underneath it? That way we're not scraping the concrete any worse. You good? Alright, so we'll lift down. Winch it all the way up and then I'll reposition. Alright. Straighten this front end out. Anyway, really. But I want to hook it so it straightens it, not tears my hook up. I don't want that. So make sure I'm hooking into something that can't mess my strap up. Straighten the whole thing over. Pop it and do it again. These Mighty things, straps have been amazing. I mean, look, it's literally straightening the entire car out. All right, let me get this thing strapped down and I'll see y'all at drop. All right, you guys, so I just wanted to show y'all how I got the car off the truck. Okay, so it was raining so bad whenever I went to come drop, I wasn't able to get the drop on video. You guys wouldn't have been able to see anything. So what I'm gonna do is show y'all exactly what I did to get it off. So I used the mytee recovery rope and I put it around this tree, okay? I brought it back and I hooked this J chain, the big J's. I hooked in one right there, okay? And then hooked the other J to the loop of the recovery rope. And then I put the truck in drive and I drove it off the truck, okay? Well, I pulled the truck out from underneath it. I gotta get the truck organized. Long story short, y'all, it went smooth, you know. I wasn't able to get the drop on video, so I did want you guys to see how I did it. And then also, we're gonna take a quick second, guys, and we're gonna talk about the people who have helped the business. We'll start with mytee, guys. I'm gonna leave a picture right here in the video so you guys can see. Go to myteeproducts.com. Anytime you guys need towing products, hauling products, any type of rigging gear, I mean, they sell everything. Guys, hit them up. Recovery gear, lockout equipment, skates, everything. Hit them up, guys. Go to myteeproducts.com and get on that mailing list to where they can start getting you coupons and stuff, because I'm telling you, I can honestly say I don't think my business would have made it if I didn't have them in my corner. When I say that, the affordability of those products and the durability, they're definitely one of the biggest reasons why I think I've been able to be successful and also profitable with my business. Because price comparison, guys, there is no price comparison. To compare them to anybody, sorry about that, I thought my camera shut off. To compare them to anybody would be crazy. They're just, as far as affordability is concerned, it is impossible to find anyone that's going to beat their prices, you know. They don't pay me to say this. I'm just letting you know, they do hook me up with equipment and stuff, but I was buying their equipment long before they were hooking me up. And that's because of how affordable it was and how durable it is. So we're going to be doing a short video. We're going to be doing another long video on the smaller gear like straps and snatch blocks and stuff like that. But I just wanted to take a quick second to thank mytee. Gilbert Villarreal out there in Texas that owns Delta Transport, Gilbert and family. They've also supported the business and the YouTube channel. So thank y'all so very much. And then all you two guys that have been watching and liking the videos, thank you guys so very much. All of my faithful subscribers, all the people who comment in my videos. Please understand that I enjoy talking back and forth with y'all, right? For whatever reason, I'm hooked on this work. Like, I love it. Like, I do it. I could do it all day and get home, and you know, I'm doing videos. I've been doing this for years, guys. You know, I can't get enough of it. So I love it when you guys comment in the videos and you're like, oh, hey, you know, well, how about this? Or you could have done it like that. Or even, I mean, and look, you know, I take criticism. Or even, you know, hey, I never knew that. I mean, just the communication, the camaraderie that we have developed over time has been probably one of my favorite things about this channel, is how many friends I've made and how much stuff I've learned. So I just wanted to give a shout out to all of you guys, man, and tell y'all how thankful I am. And I'm going to start making some videos that are going to be for basically like members, right? Which, you know, now that we have members, there's several things y'all can do, right? If you want to support the, hold on, if you want to support the channel in any way, there's several things you can do, okay? You can buy a thanks, right? You'll see it right there in the right above the comment section. It's a little money sign that says thanks. You can buy a thanks to support the channel. My Cash App's in the my channel description. So if you guys want to support the channel that way, you're more than welcome to. And then also, if you want to become a member, right? Members get special privileges. Like, basically, members' comments are seen first. Like, people who you know, join, I think the lowest one's like $1.99 or $2.99 a month, and it goes up to like 10 or 15 or so. What I would like to do is make it to where people who do that, right, people who do support the channel, they do get little extra privileges and get to see videos the thing is if they're paying something, right, there should be a little bit more to, quite a bit more to what they get to see. So I'm gonna start making some videos, guys, and it'll be on members. However, most of my videos, you know, I will say 90% of my videos are going to be available to everybody. So I just wanted to let y'all know that and tell y'all how much I appreciate y'all supporting the channel and sticking with me throughout all of it. And yeah, I'll see y'all at the next one.